Soil. It's the foundation of life, the heart of a successful and harmonious ecological farm. Perhaps the single most valuable resource a farmer needs to manage, soil is the byproduct of a millennia of geological processes breaking down and mixing together rock and organic matter.
Really, the crux of what we're doing is about soil. And it's this incredible environment of multi-species diversity and all the micro-life and all the worms and bugs and everything that come with it. You know, some plants are in their heyday this month and they die back or flower, and others come along. So this is a whole process that happens. And that's key.
This rhythmic rotation of life and death is the driver of the carbon cycle, a mechanism by which carbon is exchanged between the atmosphere, biosphere, and hydrosphere.
When we think of restoring the environment, we think about sinking carbon, and it's the living soil that actually digests that carbon. If our soil's not alive, then it doesn't have the ability to do that. So restoration agriculture is grounded in living soil.
If soil is the heart and carbon is the skeleton, then nitrogen is the muscle that moves the circle of life. Invisible to the eye, nitrogen is the most abundant element in the Earth's atmosphere. But before it can be used by plants and pass through the food chain, an unlikely friendship must flourish.
It's a bacteria that's in the soil that associates with the plant, and that bacteria takes nitrogen from the air and sequesters it into a usable form. It has an exchange with the plant where the bacteria forms a colony on the roots called a nodule, and in exchange for sugar from the plant, which the plant has an abundance of, it feeds nitrogen to the plant. So there's a trade going on there.
Soil testing is an invaluable tool for a farmer to analyze the vast, complex network of living and non-living relationships that exist beneath our feet. But not all soil tests are alike.
You can't just give it to a fertilizer dealer and have them test it, because they'll test it for 5 to 12 things. And we need a test for much more, but we need a test for the relationships more than anything. All these nutrients, trace minerals, macro minerals, they're all in relationship to each other. The reason why we will balance soil is because we want to make a very comfortable living for the microbes, because they're the ones that make all the enzymes, that make all the nutrients available to a plant, and then therefore to an animal or to us.
It's a ground-up approach. Healthy soil, healthy plants. Healthy plants, healthy food, people, communities, healthy world.